Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this grunge black and white warp effect in After Effects. So we're going to go over here to the left bottom of our clip, go over here to new, and create our adjustment layer right here. So for the first effect I'm going to add is going to be S_distort chroma. So I'm actually going to zoom in into our timeline much better so we can see all of our frames right here. Zoom in a bit more. Yeah, that's way better. So we're going to go here to our 15th frame right here at the beginning. Then we're going to go to our S_distort chroma settings right here. I'm going to click on amount and our blur lens. So for the amount, we're going to put at 7.2 for our first keyframe. And then for our blur lens, we're going to put at 663 or 663. So next we're going to find our 13th frame. So we're going to go right here and just look for it right here in timeline. Oh, sorry. It's not actually our 13th frame, it's going to be our 21st frame. So we're going to go here to our 21st frame and we're going to put our amount on 0. So we're going to go here to our blur lens and we're going to put at 1040. Then we're actually going to highlight all of our keyframes that we just put down and easy ease them. Once after that, I'm going to close out S_distort chroma. And then the next effect I'm going to add is going to be radial or radial blur. Go right here to blur and sharpen. Drag it in right there. I'm gonna go here to type, put it on zoom, and at best quality I'm gonna put it high. So once after adding those settings, we're gonna head towards the beginning of our clip right here. Then we're gonna put our amount all the way up to 30. Click on that stopwatch to create our first keyframe. Then we're gonna head about over here to our 22nd frame, and we're gonna bring it all the way down to 0. Once after that, I'm gonna go right here and highlight both keyframes and ease them. Then once after radial blur, I'm gonna add hue/saturation under color correction. Drag it in right there. Then I'm gonna go over here to master saturation and bring it all the way down to -100. Close out the menu right there. And then for the next effect I'm gonna add is gonna be noise. Whoops, kind of spelled it wrong right there. Go to noise and grain and drag in noise. Turn off use color noise, and we're gonna bring our amount all the way up to 27. Then I'm gonna close out our noise menu right there. And then for the next effect I'm gonna add is glow. Go over here to stylize, drag in glow. Then I'm gonna go down and bring down our glow threshold all the way down to 32. Then I'm gonna go here to glow radius, and I'm gonna bring it all the way up to 126. Once after that, I'm gonna close out our glow menu right there. And for the next and final effect that's gonna help tie in this whole effect right here is gonna be CC smear. Then once right here, I'm gonna drag in our 2 point right here, and I'm gonna put it all the way down to the bottom of our clip. And once after that, it's actually gonna warp our clip from the bottom to the top right here, so you can see how it's starting to warp it right there. So I'm gonna put our reach right here at 430. Then I'm gonna go to the beginning right over here, go to our radius, and I'm gonna bring it all the way up to 487. Then I'm gonna open up a timeline. So I'm gonna go to the 23rd frame of our clip right here, go to our radius and put it at 0. Save our clip, and we're gonna go through it right here. And yeah, as you can see right here, that's how you create a nice black and white warp effect in After Effects. Now if you want to help increase the quality of our clip, we can go ahead and add a nice flicker effect. So I'm going over here and highlight and F9 both of our keyframes right there. Go over here to effects and presets, and I'm going to add the exposure under color correction. I'm going to put it above all of our effects right here. Then I'm going to go to about the beginning, or we can go about right here. Create our first keyframe. Open up our timeline, go 1 frame over, and then I'm going to put at 1 and highlight both of our keyframes right here and press F9 on our keyboard. Once after that, I'm going to highlight the 2 keyframes we just made right now and go another frame over, then copy and paste it and do the same thing over and over until you want the flickering effect to end. So I'm going to go 1 over again. Once after that, I'm going to go right here to about a couple frames over, and I'm going to bring it down all the way to 0. So once after that, I'm going to close out our menu for our exposure, save our project, close out our timeline, and that's how I create a grunge black and white warp effect in After Effects. Keep working hard, keep on chasing your dreams, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.